All the babies have left the box. Marie and the itty bitty one. And he's very, very nosy. Hang on a second, I'm just gonna move a little bit. As you can tell, everybody else has climbed out of the box. We have liftoff. And this little boy is just not ready for nap yet. Baby Meese? Meesy baby. Meesy baby. Hey. Hi. Let's see if we can catch his attention. Hi. He is incredibly cute. Hi, Noodling. Hi, Noodling. Hi, Martin. Hey, pretty baby. Yeah. Hey, mommies. He's just not willing to go to sleep. Aren't you supposed to be sleeping, baby cat? Huh? You're not supposed to be sleeping? Hey? Oh, he's very fascinated by everything. He is so tiny. He did, no. Yep, grooming. Mush, mush. Mush, mush. Mush, mush. Getting his attention. Come on. Yeah. We have got liftoff. So I'm going to be taking the nesting box out and washing the blankets and then putting the blanket back in there so they have more room to roam. Safely, obviously. And Marie is, I'm not sure if he's trying to eat his mommy's tail or if he's trying to wash his feet, but he is way too damn cute. Okay, he's chewing on mommy's tail. Yeah, I get distracted very easily. It is so easy to get distracted when you got little furballs like this. Mommy's tail is moving. Oh, let me get that. That looks like a dangerous tail. Yep. Oh, oh, I got it. Oh. Oh, come on. Could he just be any sweeter? Probably not. He's a little monkey. This was the one that was pretty close to not making it. And look at him now. Oh yeah. Nope, he is not sleeping. And here comes Bimsy. Oh! Oh! And yeah, no, Bimsy is not allowed close to the kittens. It's apparently only me. She's a very good mother. She's very protective of the little ones. That little monkey in the corner, look at him. He's just like, he's all over the place.